Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. Nothing says sweet like sugar and chocolate. So today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're making an extra chocolatey sugar cookie. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of salted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 ounce of unsweetened baker's chocolate, and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. We'll start by combining our butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. Once our butter and sugar have mixed together, let's go ahead with the egg yolks and the vanilla extract. Now that all of those ingredients are mixed together nicely, let's add our chocolate elements. When it comes to melting the baker's chocolate, I suggest starting off with an increment of 30 seconds, removing the chocolate from the microwave, stirring a little, and allowing the already melted chocolate to heat up the rest. If the remainder of the chocolate is still not melted after that, I would put it back in the microwave for about 10 seconds, continuing the same process of removing and mixing until everything is nicely melted. Now that we have our nice chocolatey base, let's go in and add our all-purpose flour. Now that our ingredients are all nice and mixed up, let's take this dough out of the bowl. Once we've removed all of our dough from the mixer and rolled it up into a nice ball, we'll place it in a bowl and cover it with saran wrap and place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes before rolling it out to bake. After our dough has had some time to chill in the fridge, I grabbed a small portion out, rolled it into a ball, and squished it down with my hands a little bit. In order to make sure we don't dry out our chocolate cookie, I won't be using any flour when rolling out the dough. I suggest using a silicone mat and some parchment paper when rolling. We'll go ahead and place the parchment paper over top of our dough and start to roll it out. want to roll the cookie dough out till it's about 3/8 of an inch thick, just like our sugar cookies. Now I'll use some cute heart-shaped cutters to cut out my chocolate cookie. Then we'll take our baking sheet with a silicone mat and place the cookies on the tray. Now we'll place these cookies in an oven to bake at 350 degrees for about 8 to 9 minutes. After 9 minutes of baking, our chocolate cookies are all done. After letting your cookies sit on the baking sheet for about 2 to 3 minutes, transfer them over to a cooling rack or plate so they can continue to cool. At this point, you can either decorate the cookies with some royal icing. For more details on that, click above for my video on really easy royal icing. Or to keep it simple and let the chocolate shine all on its own, sprinkle the cookies with a little bit of powdered or icing sugar. These are all done and ready to share the love. For my regular sugar cookie recipe, click the link above. You can also find more of my cookie recipes on my channel, as well as decorating and icing tips. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of The Cool Cookie Show. If you like this episode, give it a big thumbs up. Want to be a part of the creativity? Let me know what characters and shapes you'd like to see in the comments below. For more of my cookie creations, check out my channel, tune in every Tuesday, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, stay sweet!